I was out last night. Good job I didn't go out for a pint. And James phoned me, said, "Oh, come home, Dad. Lizzie's cut her paw." So, as when you have dogs, like or children, that's what normally happens. So today, I'm going to become a vet. So we've got to change the dressing. So there's his ear, look. And obviously put what we could on there with little tape on there, haven't we? So we have to change the position. Oh, we bought some strips here, look, skin closure strip instead of stitches. It's not too deep. It's like cut a right now, busy baby. We gotta sort of put it out there now, make it comfy. And we've got to cut this off here, see? I'm going to make glasses on. So today I become a vet, you see. We've got one main thing we got to do is to keep the wound clean, see? And she cut them. It's not a deep cut, she's cut the like the black flesh on a pad. But the trouble is you could catch it. You could catch it, couldn't you? So we've got the extra clean pad, see? Keep it nice and clean, innit? And then plaster on there. I notice these things down Tesco's, like butterfly stitches here, and they're cutting across the top, see? So they want her to, on the bottom, she's a very brave girl, isn't she? She's a very brave girl. Stuck to the pad. Well, there was a plaster on there, see, but be very gentle when I'm taking these off. I don't want to hurt her, see. She knows we're doing good, you know. So that's why I don't want to put these sticky plasters on there, because with a pad on there, there he's off there, look. Check him here. Right. Let me film that down there, look. See that, look? It's the pad there, look, it's cut. So what we got to do, I got this magic powder. You can get it. You keep it in, now see it, leave it there. Leave it there. Leave it there now. It's antiseptic powder, look. See? You can get it right under there now. Film the patient, is you alright, babesy? This one. So then they get infected. So then, film it right by him then. Now I know it looks nasty, but it's not deep, it's just by there. So it's probably a bit sore, but what we get a powder on him, look. So and just let it, give it a dusting so it cleans all the wound, look. It's antiseptic and kill all the germs and keep it nice and clean, see? So, I know I put powder on there. I know I got these strips, see? You keep it there now, keep it there, be alright. You're a good girl, very good patient. So one thing we've got to do, when you were talking to the patient, see? Don't always talk about that, what you were doing, because you get upset then, don't you? You don't talk about the week, look, see what? They've had a good week in the garden and all that, like if you. So you can get the sticky strips here, look. Just stick them across here a bit, seal it down a bit, they might not. We've got to be very careful, they're too sticky, see? And when they pull it off, they might not pull the bloody wound off, so they ain't much cop. So what we'll do, we've got these leather pads. Good job for Tesco's, isn't it? And they've got these. There they are. See how now? It's like you put it, don't stick then. See, you won't stick to the. Let me take them off. I'll have to get the adhesive thing, yeah. See where they know. They know we want to lick it. I want to see what we're doing. We're not going to hurt it, babe. We're just keeping it nice and clean, look, see? Yeah. Obviously, can't stick the sticky stuff on it. There we put him on here like that. Keep him in. Oh, you want? Keep him on there, see? No, we don't want to be pulling that, do we? Oh no. That's the new one. I'm going to try and stick her on this with Leo, see? There, put him on there like that. And then we can put that round there. Round your paw, so you don't worry about sticking it on the other bit. Yeah, look at the, you can throw them away now. See the patient is very calm. Very calm, like. So as I was saying, my week I had drove this lorry, this one firm now, and it jumped in the lorry on Monday, and lo and behold it stunk of smoke, because the dirty stinking smoking trucker was in there, but I don't mind, because if he wants a fag, fair enough, it just open the windows. End of the day, it's just a lorry, like. They had it Monday, Tuesday, and then when I went in Wednesday, when I come home, the girl from the agency phoned me. She said, I got to ask you, she said, you don't smoke, do you? I said, no. She said, well, some bugger, I just reported you for leaving the cab smelling of smoke, like, innit? Put this padlock, see, so when she puts her foot down there, look, you want give an extra bit of padding, but you don't want it to sweat, because then we'll have problems then getting infected, so I can't change it 3 to 4 times a day, look. See, and then put your paw down there, look, babe. Ah, anyway, I said I don't smoke, no. There's some horrible bastard went in the office, look, and tried to get me the sack, do you know what I mean? I'm trying to put bread and butter on the table for my little family, which is every year, and my boy James and Lawrence behind me. And they always got to try and, oh, I tell you, so, as it was, a manager phoned me, he said, he left all there was hell to play, he said, he left the lorry smelling of smoke. I said, don't smoke. He said, that's the best answer I've heard, he said. Brilliant. He said, I can't wait to tell him. Horrible bastards, isn't they? But hence, I got no bloody work next week now. Well, probably for me Monday. But, so that means I can change the dressing on you is, no? All day, 4 times tomorrow, isn't it? See? And here we are, see? Little Lizzie. I put I want another one there. A little bit of air in there, one there, see? And there, we have it. Yesterday I was a roofer, and then a gardener, and then an arsonist, and today I'm a vet. Innit? Voila.